Hello everyone. In this video we're going to touch base the accounting and bookkeeping services for home construction and remodeling industry. We'll cover these few topics in this video. So firstly we'll start with the project cost tracking. In this you will need to track all the cost associated with your construction project. This will include the cost of your labors, the materials, contractor expenses, permits, etc. You must track them all to analyze the project profitability. Now, income and recording. In income recording, record all the source of incomes like payments from the clients, bills, and the other revenue streams. And you must categorize them all by the project and client for the future clarity. Expenses management. Expenses management is to keep detailed record of the expenses like renting office, utilities, equipments, maintenance, insurance, and other office supplies. Categorize all your expenses for better analysis and tax purposes. Now let's take a look at the payroll and labor cost. In this you need to maintain record of your employee salaries, the benefits, and the taxes you pay for them. And also keep track of all and ensure proper documentation including the W9 forms. These forms provide you the correct taxpayer identification number. You will need to create and send invoices to the clients promptly and also keep track of the outstanding invoices to keep up the late payments. Invoices and accounting receivable is a crucial for your cash flow. Now let's talk about bank reconciliation. You must regularly reconcile your bank account to ensure that all the transactions are matching the records and bank statement properly. This will help you to find if there is any error in the records. Now in tax compliance always ensure that you are following the tax regulations and keep record of your all relevant tax documents. Depreciation and asset tracking. Depreciation means the decrease in assets value over the time. And if you own a property and equipments, you must maintain and track record of these assets for your tax and financial reporting purposes. Record retention and financial statement. Record retention policy is made to ensure that you keep financial records of the required financial records for the required duration as per the legal standards. Financial statement is where you need to prepare financial records such as preparing income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and this all to have a clear picture of your financial health. Let's touch base few key performance indicator which measures the performance and track success of your current industry. Project profitability. Project profitability indicators measure the profit of the project by comparing the difference between the revenue and your investment in it. Project timeliness. Project timeliness is an indicator which is used to track the timeliness by comparing the time you have planned to complete the project and the actual completion time. And if there is any delay in completion, if delay happens, then it will affect the profitability and client satisfaction. Now let's talk about customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction indicators measure the satisfaction level of your customer with your service. You can take their feedbacks by surveys, and if you are having repeat business, then it is a good indicator for your customer satisfaction. In cost overrun, this indicator monitors the project cost if it is overrun by the budget that was planned before the project. This indicator helps you to identify the areas where you need to control your cost or you need to control your over expenses. Revenue growth. Revenue growth indicator track the year-over-year growth of your business revenue. Then gross margin. Gross margin indicator calculate the margin by subtracting the cost of goods sold from the total revenue. This shows how good your managing project costs are. Now bid to win ratio. Bid to win ratio indicator measure the success rate of your project bid to the total number of your bids submitted. High ratio shows the effectiveness, or high ratio of high bid ratio will show the effectiveness of your bidding strategies. Now let's talk about employee productivity. In employee productivity, this indicator evaluates the productivity of your workplace by tracking their working hours, their project completed and submitted by your employee, and revenue per employee. Safety incidents. Incidents monitors the number and severity of your safety incidents in the construction site. If you are not having someone that is damaged, or the falling of any walls, or any crew member by mistakenly got some incident, this will be added in your safety incidents. Backlog indicator calculate the total value of your project that have been given but not started yet. Healthy backlog provide visibility into your future revenue. Now, cash flow. This indicator shows the cash flow by tracking the time of cash that flows in and flows out. Mostly construction projects have substantial upfront cost, means there is a common fee charged by lenders when you apply for a loan. That was all for the accounting and bookkeeping services for your home construction and remodeling industry. Thank you and have a nice day.